all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are Mahker. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 8 and we're off to Ash 4x4 to have some playtime. Ready to go, man. On-site repair.
All we'd have to do is try a pedal.
Chris, we'll go down the far end. Don't hang on to this, I'll just go steady. Something wrong with the accelerator pedal. When you hit it flat out, it won't rev.
Alright.
my YouTube channel. I can't divulge that yet.
Well, we've got plenty of starting footage anyway. Yeah. Look at the guns! Look at the guns!
That was literally my only action shot.
That was awesome, guys. We're here with Billy from Asheville before at Hawkston Park. We've had this beast around the track and it's just amazing. So when's the next day, Billy?
We've got a novice day next week.
If anyone wants to have a ride in this, we'll be talking prices on the website. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.